We'll guide you through how to create a Jdot Breezy type beat in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and start a new project by clicking on New Project in the Project Manager. Name your project something like Jdot Breezy type beat and hit Create. Once the project is open, go to the Edit tab on the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll want to import your audio files by clicking on File, then Import, and selecting your chosen samples or loops that fit the Jdot Breezy style. Drag these files into the timeline, positioning them on different audio tracks for better control. You can use the cut and trim tools to adjust the length and timing of each sample to match the beat structure you want. To enhance the beat, go to the Fairlight tab where you can add effects like reverb, EQ, and compression to each track. Click on the effects library and drag the desired effects onto your tracks. Adjust the parameters by double-clicking on the effect in the inspector panel. Make sure to listen to the entire track to ensure everything blends well together and gives that energetic Jdot Breezy vibe. To add some visual flair, go to the Color tab and create a simple visualizer by adding color grading effects to any video clips you might want to include. When you're satisfied with the audio and visuals, go to the Deliver tab. Choose your preferred format, set the file destination, and click Add to Render Queue. Finally, hit Start Render to export your beat. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.